enemies grew, and a number of countries banned Jesuits in Europe. And finally, in the year 1773, 21st of July, Pope Clement XIV suppressed the society. Suppressed means the society cannot exist. But his decree was not executed and accepted by the kings and queens of China, Russia, Eastern Europe, and in America. So Jesuits survived there. So in the year 1814, once again Pope Pius VII restored the society. Society once again was established. And the society grew. The highest number of Jesuits in the history of the Society of Jesus was in the year 1965. There were 36,038 Jesuits. When I joined the Jesuits in the year 1971, there were 31,145 Jesuits. The number began to dwindle. Now, as on 1st of January 2025, we have all over the world 13,768 Jesuits. And in India, including Sri Lanka, we have 3,058 Jesuits. And Jesuits are working in 112 countries of the world. You mention any field, Jesuits have contributed. Science, geography, maps, astronomy, medicine, inventions, anything.